This is the fuser right here, and it's located right at the top of the printer. Really easy to remove. You just squeeze the blue tabs, it pulls out, and to reinstall it, you just reseat it back in the printer, and that's all there is to it. It's very simple to replace. We sell the fuser on its own, or if you want the maintenance kit, a maintenance kit would include the fuser plus the pickup rollers and separation pads for tray 1 and tray 2. That'd be the magnify tray and the pull-out drawer. This video is going to show you how to replace the pickup rollers and separation pads. First, open up the door, make sure all of your toners are removed, and there are 2 pickup rollers. One's up front, that's for the manual feed tray, and one's back here, that's for tray 2. And there are 2 separation pads. One separation pad is located right under that pickup roller, and the other separation pad is in the tray right there. The pickup rollers, make sure you have all the toner cartridges removed, and it's easiest to start out with that roller right there. So what we're going to do is close the transfer kit, that's the transfer kit, and remove the separation pad before you remove the pickup roller. So there's a screw down here that holds the separation pad in place, and we'll just unscrew that, and the separation pad just pulls straight out. And the reason why you want to take the separation pad out first is you can now put your finger under the pickup roller. You want to put your finger on the back edge underneath, and then there's 2 tabs here that keep the roller in place. So you can use your fingernail, or you can use a screwdriver, and just while you're pushing up the back of the roller, release this tab, and that will lift slightly the right side of the pickup roller. Do the same thing on the left side, and the roller comes free. It's a lot easier than trying to do this. When you put your finger underneath, it pops it up. It's real easy. To reinstall the roller, make sure you get these 2 pegs on the front of the roller in the groove on the front, and then rotate the roller back, and it locks into place. And to put the separation pad in and install that, just put it back in there and put the screw back in place. Pickup roller for tray 2 is back here. You lift up this little black lid, and what you want to do here is, it's easier if you have a little flat blade screwdriver. There's, again, on this roller, there's 2 tabs, one on the right, one on the left, that hold it in place. You can sit there and try to squeeze this roller really hard, and it doesn't want to pop up. So the easiest way to do this is to release the tab on the right side, lift up a little bit on the roller just to make sure it's free. Do the same thing on the left side, and it still doesn't want to come out, but you put your screwdriver under there, and there, it'll pop out. So it's really handy to have a little flat blade screwdriver with you. To reinstall this, you want to put the back end in first on this. So there's pegs in the front and the back of this roller, and they're different shapes. It's a round peg here and more of a triangular shaped peg on that side of the roller. So the round side peg in the back goes in first, and then you might have to rotate this a little bit to get the seat back into place. It might take a little bit of work to get that back in there, but you'll get back in there. Don't worry. Oops. Alright, so we got the 2 pickup rollers installed and the separation pad for the magnify tray. tray 2 separation pad is in the tray itself, and that's really easy. Just remove the 2 screws, and the separation pad lifts out. To reinstall it, same way you took it out. And reinstall the screws. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so the tray 2 pickup roller is a little tricky. You need to open up this door in the back, and there's a tab on the right and on the left. So it's very similar to the tray 1 pickup roller. Those tabs keep it in place, and you want to spread the tab a little bit to release it on the right side. And if you got a screwdriver, it really helps. You can pry it up just a little bit, just to make sure that it's released. And then on the left side, you spread that tab over a little bit, and that should release both sides, and then with your screwdriver you can pop it up and out of place. So again, there's a tab on the right and on the left, and you're pushing them outwards to release the pickup roller. To reinstall the pickup roller, you'll notice the pickup roller has 2 posts on it. There's a little round post on the back side of it, or one side of it, and then there's a triangular shaped post on the other side. So the round post goes towards the back of the printer, and that round post, you want to install that first, so that kind of goes down into the back, and then use your screwdriver to manipulate it on this little white piece here and press it down into place. And that's all there is to it.